Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by collecting only the essentials so you can act immediately: laws, standards, source records, and the specific reporting forms. Once you have owners and due dates, create a single master template with fields for requirement, evidence, status, version, and risk rating. You add one row per requirement and reference the exact clause. This prevents ambiguity. Once done, assign initial reviewers and set the first review date so the sheet becomes a working control rather than a checklist. You now populate the sheet row by row, mapping requirements to concrete evidence entries, site doc names, pages, timestamps, or log ID so auditors can reproduce your finding. Then score compliance numerically or with pass/warn/fail and capture residual risk plus remediation owner and ETA. Once done, apply filters, conditional formatting, and cell protection to preserve the audit trail. You should also record change reasons in a comments column so reviewers understand why statuses move. You finish by running a documented peer review with sign-offs, dates, and clear reviewer comments. This creates accountability. Once done, lock the reviewed snapshot, export a PDF for auditors, and keep the editable master for remediation updates. Make sure to reconcile any evidence ID mismatches and preserve version history in a change log. If things go wrong, a key troubleshooting step is to restore the prior version and rerun the reconciliation to recover lost references while notifying stakeholders.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.